Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your Shpock password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shpock.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Shpock if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. So on the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar, where you can go and search for anything, of course. In the top right corner, we have your inbox. We have the selling, buying, watch list, saved searches, reviews, saved locations, help center, settings, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset your Shpock password. So to reset your Shpock password, follow of course these 5 steps. Go to the Shpock login page, first of all, and click on forgot password. So of course you can go, and log out of your profile. And here, when you log out, you can go then on the login and click on forget password. Then, after that, enter your email address associated with your Shpock account. Check your email for a message from Shpock with a link to reset your password. Then click the link in the email and follow the instructions to set a new password. If you have registered with Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, you'll need to change your password directly through those accounts. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.